Majority of festivals celebrated across all Hindu country. The victory of God over evil, Dussehra or Vijayadashmi, which falls on the 10th day of Navratri, celebrated Lord Rama's victory over Asura, King Ravana, as well as the triumph of Goddess Durga over Mahishasur. This is the longest Hindu festival in Nepal, traditionally celebrated for 2 weeks, including prayers and offers to Durga, the great goddess festival of Nepal. Dasa is the time for family reunion, exchange of gifts, greetings and blessing, and collaborative puja. The most important days are first day of Navratri, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. On the first day of Durga Puja, Jamara is germinated. Jamara is the grass, the embrace after barley seeds germinated. And the seventh day is known as Tilpati, and on this day Jamara is brought to Hanuman Yoga Post Parva from Gorkha Darbar with the help of full. Traditionally, on this day, the royal colors, banana, stalk, jamara, and the sugar cane tied with red clothes to brought on Hanuman Yoga. And the ninth day is called Maha Ashtami, the day the most precious of God Durga Kali sacrifice of buffalo, goat, hen, dog in the temple throughout the Navratri. On the ninth day of royal worship of Vijayadashmi, the ninth day is represented the nine magnificence of God Durga, Sailaputra, Brahmasri, Chandrayani, Sukunda, Ruksunda, Katyayani, Kalrati and Mahagauri. During the ninth day, Taleju temple is normally out of bounds, is open for public in this day. Official military ritual sacrifice are held in the Hanuman Yoga Royal Palace, the court country. On the ninth day, royal sword is also worshipped and taken on the process of 108 animals, dog 108, every animal's dog, hare and buffalo 108 are sacrificed to Nau Durga, and in Nepal as well as the vehicles are also worshipped in every house. In this day, a various kind of beautiful delicious food are made to eat by every family. Puja and sacred houses of the god Durga and do puja of every vehicles. And in some house, after 8th, 9th day of puja, Havan is done and Naukanya is also puja, worship as a goddess of 9 avatar. As well as I also fast for 9 days and I also worship 9 Kuari Kanya as a goddess. In every house, children and family are enjoyed, and also children swing and enjoy flying kites with friend and family. Firstly, in the Dasami, where and after 9th day, it is the 10th day came. It is the most important days for the Hindu of Nepal festival, where seeds will have grown to 5 to 6 inches long, and long yellow grass and red tika. The jamara is taken up of goddess Durga as well as Indra's blessing. The tika is made from rice and abir, curd, the mixture of rice, curd, and avir. And the Tika is celebrated for 5 days till Purnima. In this way, till Purnima, Nepali people take Tika from elders and blessing. This is the way where all Nepali people celebrated. As you can see in the picture, we are taking Tika from our elders' parents. The Tika is made from curd, banana, rice, and red abir. And jamara is also put in forehead. You can see in this way Nepali celebrated Dasai. In some there is lots of people who live in Nepal. Likewise, Newar is the one of the most oldest people from Nepal who celebrated Dasai. They sacrifice and eat meat on these days. Happy Dasai, everyone. Stay safe and stay positive. Hope you like our channel. If you like our channel, do subscribe, share, and also comment. In the last of this video, I have posted some pigment of various kind of temple from Nepal. You can see